Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you some questions and you have to answer. Yes.
Have you done water sports?
Can you repeat?
Have you done water sports?
Well, I haven't done any water sports because I'm not interested at that thing.
Okay, this answer is not appropriate. Even if you have not done, you should give reasons. The topic is, have you done any water sports? No, I have not done any water sports. In fact, I am always afraid of water. On the other hand, I don't know anything about swimming. So to answer your question, in my whole life, I've never tried anything which is related to water. Proper answer. Okay, so have you done any water sports? No. Okay, so you need to give reasons. If answer is no, give reasons why it is no. Right? Let's go on.
Are water sports common in your country?
Yeah, definitely water sports are common in my country because nowadays youngsters really enjoy to go over there because whenever they want to get together with their friends or make fun with their friends,
You
they
are
mostly
not
go over
linking your answer with water sports. You are saying go over there. Over there where?
there. Water sports.
So that's what you have to see. So, linking of your answer with the question is very, very important. Otherwise, your answer is going to be off the track. Irrelevant answer. Okay? Yeah. Let's go on.
What kind of water sports do you want to try?
Well, as I mentioned that I'm not interested in water sports, so I will not do any kind of water sport.
Okay, now किसी एक पे तो मान जा भाई. All right, yeah. So at least you can say, I would love to try swimming in the future. Although I am not sure because I'm very much afraid of water. I've got hydrophobia. But still, I would like to try swimming in some swimming pool which is 1.5 feet deep.
So we can tell lies over there.
Okay, so you need to give, listen, you need to give proper answer. Even if you don't like it, even if you don't have it, then give the reasons why you don't like it. Why don't you like it? You need to give reasons for your answer, okay?
Right.
All right, thank you.